Welcome to week 13 of our fun garden walkthroughs. We are officially entering into our fall season and we have a lot of fall sprouts popping up in the garden, but today is my most favorite day because we are harvesting our sweet potatoes, finally. So that'll be what the majority of this is about. There's a lot of tomatoes to pick, which I'm so excited about. Literally what I said last week, hoping that they would ripen, and there's so many. So it's gonna be a great day and I can't wait to see what's under the sweet potato vines. Cherry tomatoes just don't quit. I need to save, I haven't saved any seeds from these cherries and they just like non-stop grow. The one plant I have planted has given me all of this and it's a monstrosity. So insane.
And basically the key is like you're locked in place, shoulder plates, or the down, locked, floors engaged, but you have like a
Planting these pretty sad cauliflowers I've left in their pot too long. So they just look really dry and floppy. So hopefully getting them in the ground and getting them watered will help them perk up.
It went up, that's good. That's 2 foot through the work, and I have to eat an acai bowl as big and massive as I can make it.
Whoa.
Let's just keep tearing it up. I saw it. Whoa!
Woohoo! Oh my
Look at that
gosh.
fruit.
What the heck?
Like a rope.
Sweet potatoes, people.
That is insane.
We would be picking these off.
Yeah, I'm kind of picking them off as I
Oh,
go.
look down. This is a
We don't need
honey
to.
hole.
Good. That's where I planted that one plant.
Whoa!
Pull them off as we go. Or else they're gonna get like
Yeah.
lost in
Well,
there.
there's some big daddies down here.
Dude, I'm pumped.
Do you need?
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Potato famine! Oh no!
Oh, darn. Something got in there.
Look at the pile.
What's this at? In the hole. Nope.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. I keep stopping my video and then.
A world record. Gotta do something.
Holy crap.
We can grow sweet potatoes, y'all.
Nice. They go deep.
Yeah. Well, this is really good soil for them. Because it's like so much.
And Johnny, look at the soil. That's for that mulch that we just put down. We didn't really do anything to the soil.
No, we didn't. Wow.
Holy crap.
Oh. What the?
Some bruised together.
Do you want me to get something to cut with? The big vine?
No, I hold this thing up.
When we get there?
You like the soil we created?
Yeah.
We didn't do anything. We just layered it.
It's great.
Keep scratching.
Compost,
Oh,
mulch.
got into some of these. See? Stupid Berman.
We stopped growing here.
Uh-huh.
There's dang vermin.
Hey, Christy, do you want me to get the rest of these?
There's this, they're clustered right in this one spot.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Looks a feast. What are we having today, Mom? Sweet potato. We're gonna make it through the winter.
Wow.
How do we preserve these?
You have to let them cure.
How does
So
that
any ones that we didn't scratch the skin on accident, you let them sit out. Well,
How do they
I have
cure?
to-
So they just sit out and cure?
yeah, like we won't wash
Some of these
them.
that just look like big softballs.
I know.
We got some extra compost for you.
No kidding.
Grub worm.
There's some right there.
Eat it.
Hey, it worked. There's some next to your left foot.
Okay, back on the front porch. Pulling up potatoes, even with like 4 other people's help, still really hard. And we all broke quite a sweat, but that was so exciting. I planted those not knowing if I was doing the right thing. We had no expectations, and now we have so many sweet potatoes. So fingerling size or ginormous size, I don't care. I'm excited for it. So what a good day and what a blessing. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys.